Hello everyone, Michael Hatfield here. Thank you for joining me. It's going to rain here, so I have to do this quickly. I just put my tent in here. It's kind of like kind of like one of those mosquito nets. I put it in, and I'm going to be sleeping here. There's a top right here, so we'll see if it holds out. If it doesn't, I got to put another tarp right here to protect my tent. But I want to sleep in nature. Here is nature, and I would love to sleep in nature, and that's why I have this right here created. If I was really a jungle man, I would be right on the ground with nothing but my body. And unfortunately, there's so much that we can stand. There's mosquitoes, there's insects, and we need to protect ourselves from them. And the way is to use a mosquito net or insect net. And if it happens, I will come back to you on the result of this. Basically, this is my primitive living right under some kind of overhang. And I love you all. I'm grateful for this tent and the tarp from a lovely friend, and I want to wish you all the best love and a wonderful day. It's going to rain soon, but I love you all. Compassion encircles the earth for all beings everywhere. Eat fruit, love life, go vegan.